Okay, so vlog number 2 and we're in the snow.
This has been quite a change to the last vlog. Oh, quick, snowman.
No, snowball.
No! Ah! This is... Ah! Okay. This is a lot different to how we had the spot last time. I'm going to try and actually make something entertaining for you. I don't think we're going to have to try very hard.
I'm going to try a wheelie.
Oh dear. Yeah, so we're going to try a load of stunts, and that's what this vlog's going to be about. So this is the aftermath of a burnout that I did for a photo shoot. I have now completely messed up my tyre though, which means trying to do any kind of wheelie stuff will be practically impossible. But, you know, at least we got some cool photos. I'm a bit worried about this actually, because I know how slippery this is. Even just riding normally is like really hard. So he's now going to try and do a wheelie, which is really dumb.
Let's find out if this is doable.
Oh, guys.
So we want to be at BP and nice and slow.
Okay, okay. Woo! Yeah, that was pretty cool. He stayed up much longer than I thought he was going to.
Okay, so first attempt went surprisingly well and better than I thought. Yeah, that's definitely a crash.
Oh, that was good. Well, if you do another one, I'll get some photos.
Of what, of crashing? Wow, that's a little bit dangerous, isn't it?
Do you think I can do Christ?
I without swearing on camera, I really wouldn't try, but you can always jump to the side if it's slow.
Right guys, it's my turn to ride in this rather interesting snow field. I'm not very confident. I don't think I'm going to do very much. Oh geez, I'm quite nervous actually. Ooh. Woo! Yay! Well, at least I'm stunting on the snow. I don't know how long I can stay up, but woo, woo, woo! This is so much fun. Do you think I can do a Christ? Is this really stupid? I'll do that again. Oh man! Woo! It's very slidey.
This is a hot... Oh, there she goes down.
Oh man, it's really slippery. Right, let's do this. Oh man! Nope! I knew it. I should just jump off when that happens. I shouldn't even bother trying to save it. Oh yeah, check out that drift, man. Yes!
Yeah!
Are you tired? Let's truce. Come on, let's make snow angels. You're in my snow angel! Yes!
What are you doing?
What are you doing in my snow angel? No, don't. Hey, truce. Okay.
Oh wow.
Ta-da! How about a race?
No, you're just going to win.
No, I don't mean a running race. I mean like a riding race. That would be awesome. 1, 2, 3, go! We're leaving him well behind. No, I can even do this just with my idol. La 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 la! Don't fall. Woo! We won! This is what marriage is all about. Woohoo! Second! Yeah! Let's attempt this dismount thing. Are you ready? I just got caught.
Your underpants got stuck.
My big fat underpants got stuck. Attempt number 2. To let the bike roll a little bit, I have to try and hold it up. Woo! Stop it. I'm sorry, bike, but that was gonna T-bone your bike.
Don't try this at home, we're professionals.
Woo!
So, thanks for joining us. We had a great time in the snow.
This was so much fun, guys. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Probably not. But hopefully we will see you in the next vlog where, who knows, we might have thunder, lightning, hail.
Or a heat wave.
Heat wave. I'm so up for a heat wave. Please like and subscribe to our channel, guys. There's going to be a new video every single week at 7 PM UK time. So we will see you there. Bye!